Hello everyone and welcome to another FXCentrum trade idea for the day. For today I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I see potential for the further downside movement, so this will be a sell trade idea. And we didn't cover currencies for a long time since we got lots of activity and volatility around energy and gold. But I think this is a good one, and we have a downside environment, short, mid-term, the British pound versus US dollar. Now I will go through, this is the 2-hour time frame, and I will go through the reasons behind this bearish sell trade idea. So let's start first with what happened in the background. We had in the last couple of days, we can see that market established the downside environment by making the lower highs and lower lows. And this is a series of the lower highs and lower lows. And every time the market will go in the middle of this channel, we will find the sellers and make a new low. Almost every time in the last couple of days. So we have also something similar here and potential for the further downside development. If we take a look at RSI, for example, we can see also that after we reached new momentum at 80 mark, we actually faded back all the way down and we switched the cycle to the downside. Even the moving averages from the RSI are trading around 30 and 36. It's a strong short-term downside environment. And we want to try to position ourselves for a good asymmetric risk-reward within the short-term downside trend. So after this reaction in the last couple of hours towards the mid of the channel, we have potential for asymmetric risk-reward and potential 3 to 5 times bigger reward versus initial risk. So we'll take the short position tool here, and let's say protective stop to be around 1.3360 mark, and try to place a first downside objective around 1.3220. This will be a 3 times bigger reward versus initial risk, as you can see here in the risk to reward ratio. Secondary downside objective can be around 1.3160 mark, and this will be about 5 times bigger reward versus initial risk. So there will be 2 downside objectives. Of course, take a look and the most recent low, and this will be a level to watch for potential and adjust your position. So this is the level around 1.3300 mark. Okay, so this will be a level to adjust your position. Watch carefully how the price will react around this, but our main downside objectives are here, 1.3220 and 1.3160 mark. It is a great time to start with the prop firm challenges, and you can choose variety of the challenges via FXCentrum, and you have the link in the description of the video to check more about it. You can use this promo code here to have a 20% off for any prop firm challenge. Also, leave your comments below. We really appreciate the live discussion. You can also learn a lot by asking, and feel free to subscribe on our YouTube channel for more videos. That'll be all from my side and FXCentrum team for today. Have a good rest of the day, have a good trading, and speak to you soon.